Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create an object similar to this 3D image here using that pretty popular 3D art style. Um, it's made pretty popular by ads and that sort of thing in Australia, yeah, I'm trying to work on a tutorial that will create this in a video sense using AI, but I'm working on that at the moment. So this is just an image tutorial using the graphic image magic media menu here. So we're just going to create something that's similar to this and see what sort of the AI generator comes up with. So I'll just delete that. And the way to do this is using the magic media menu on the left here. So when you click into this, this is what you'll see. For this, we're just going to leave the aspect ratio square, and the style, we're actually going to hit see all, and we're going to choose the 3D model style. So not 3D, but 3D model. So this is probably the best way to kind of do it. There are other styles you can experiment with, including photo and I think just 3D in general, but that sort of makes it a bit more video gamey and Minecrafty, I think. So just go 3D model, leave the aspect ratio, and this is what you'll type in. And we'll just do maybe, we'll do green back. Yeah, I think that will do. I think young family gets a green background. The keywords don't need to be that complicated for the generator to do its thing because you've already chosen an art style, so making a specific style should make it easier. Canva's done it pretty smart that way by breaking them down into art styles, which makes it heaps easier. Whereas its video generator takes heaps long to create that sort of similar art style that you're after, but this way it does it a bit more easier. So there you go. Really good quality output here. So that's really good. That's probably what I was kind of after, and same with this one here. So that's kind of cool there. And you've got that young family keyword sort of sitting there. That eye is kind of messing up the hair there, but you can kind of see it's doing the right thing here, especially this one here. That's quite good. It's a good mix between the two, and then obviously this one here is quite good. It's quite simple, and then obviously they're just wearing green. This one here, you've got the demographic representation as well, which is good. So yeah, I think this one's pretty good. Either one of these two is good. I think maybe we'll stick with this one. So that's quite good, but we'll try once more, but we'll doing it, we'll try it using a higher or like a bigger aspect ratio, I guess, and we'll choose 3D model again, but this time we'll do someone in action, like riding a bike. I think this one might give us something interesting. So instead of this one being a young family, we'll do young person. So I think using that sort of terminology makes it work a bit more easy. I've tried it using people, but it's just kind of messed up the AI similar to this as well. Yeah, there you go. That's not, maybe these ones are okay, but something that's a bit more like side on, I think is what I'm kind of after. Like oblique sort of setup. These are quite nice. But let's look at these ones. I can't really see. Yeah, these ones are kind of cool. It's got that corporate Memphis style 3D sort of look and feel to it. And then say you wanted like text or something. This would be kind of, you'd use something like cursive or something a bit more classier, I think. Like a headline style of design, that sort of thing as well. But yeah, it just depends on what you're after again in that instance. Doesn't matter, I'll delete those separately. So we'll go back and we'll just generate this once more, but we'll use it using landscape. We'll try this one. There we go, on appear. Let's see what it does. I should have added maybe something a little bit more bigger, or something along a oblique. Oops, we've used none for that one. The results are pretty good though. We'll try it again. You can see once it's generated, it's using like these credits at the bottom. So when you're paying for Canva Pro, it's going to take a credit. And I think with video, you've got like 35 or 100 or 50 of them or something like that. So just keep that in mind. There you go. That's pretty good. That's pretty much what I'm after in this instance here. So say for example, get rid of that one. These ones are quite cool too. A little bit more artistic, but I think they sort of, this one sort of hits the mark with what we're after. So then say for example you're doing like, you know, health insurance or something, I don't know, like the topics are can be pretty boring, but it just depends on what you're after. Maybe not this, but something like a simple tagline, I guess. I'm just using these text themes. It's just simple. Just something simple and just left align, right align it, I guess. And then just kind of place it wherever you need it. I mean, you kind of get the idea, but you know, simple, clean, that sort of thing, and just having your logo there or whatever. Like this is like nice if you have this like as a breakout tile on a social media feed, that sort of thing. So yeah, hopefully that kind of helps. Yeah, if you haven't got like the paid version, just give it a shot even for like a month and do like a free trial. So then at least you can experiment a bit more, and it will help kind of practice generating prompts on a bigger sort of scale. There you go. I think I've used a few credits. So I think you get 500 every month, so you get a fair few of them. And then with video as well, I think you get 40 or 50 per month. So just keep that in mind. Yeah, if you need any help, just let me know. Any questions, leave a comment, and I'll try and answer them as well for you. Thanks.